The Corsair TX750M power supply is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade their personal computer. With an output wattage of 750 watts, it provides ample power for most mid to high-end gaming setups, ensuring that your components get the reliable energy they need. The model number for this unit is CP9020131EU, and it comes in a sleek design that will fit seamlessly into most ATX-compatible cases. One of the standout features of the Corsair TX750M is its semi-modular cabling system. This allows you to use only the cables you need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. The result is not only a cleaner build but also better thermal performance, which is crucial for maintaining the longevity and efficiency of your components. The connectors are easy to attach and detach, making installation and future upgrades a breeze. This power supply unit, PSU, also boasts an 80+ gold certification, which means it is highly efficient. With up to 90% energy efficiency at typical loads, it reduces energy consumption, lowers your electricity bill, and minimizes heat generation. This efficiency also translates to quieter operation, as the PSU does not need to work as hard or generate as much heat, allowing the fan to run at lower speeds or even stay off during low to moderate loads. Corsair has built the TX750M with high-quality components, including Japanese capacitors, which are known for their durability and performance. These capacitors ensure that the power supply delivers stable and reliable power, even under heavy loads. This reliability is essential for preventing crashes and ensuring smooth operation during intense gaming sessions or other demanding tasks. In terms of protection features, the TX750M is well equipped. It includes overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, short-circuit protection, and overpower protection, among others. These safety features give you peace of mind, knowing that your valuable components are protected from electrical faults. The TX750M also comes with a generous warranty, reflecting Corsair's confidence in the product's longevity and performance. This warranty provides an extra layer of security, ensuring that you're covered in case of any unforeseen issues. Overall, the Corsair TX750M is an exceptional power supply unit that offers a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and reliability. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a newcomer to the world of PC building, this PSU will meet and exceed your expectations, making it a top choice for powering your next build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.